The Precision Leveling System, or PLS from BARWALT, consistently spaces tile and removes lippage. It is a reusable system that is great for floors and walls. PLS works great for most common tile and works especially well for tile up to 11 millimeters thick. BARWALT PLS spacers come in 1/8 and 1/16 of an inch spacings. BARWALT PLS spacers keep your tiles evenly spaced for clean, consistent grout lines. You can easily snap off PLS after the thin set has dried. Use a rubber mallet to hit the system in line with the grout joint so that the bases break off cleanly below the tile. Kicking with a work boot is also a great way to remove the spacers and wedges. Discard the spacer bases and keep the PLS wedges for the next job. Use the BARWALT PLS pliers to get tight and level tiles. Our PLS pliers have an adjustable hard stop to prevent applying too much force and accidentally snapping the bases. The Precision Leveling System works with our reusable anti-scratch discs. These are great for when you need protection on surfaces that could become scratched. Easily get consistent tile spacing and remove lippage with PLS from BARWALT.